Sharon Hebing, aka the Card Lady with Send Out Cards, creating wealth through caring and connecting. So this week I'm going to do a series of videos on basically I just finished my first year in network marketing with Send Out Cards, and I wanted to do a video to try to tell other network marketers 5 things that I learned that I think everyone should do to have a successful network marketing business. So the first thing that I think you always need to do in network marketing is you need to be a product of your product. So what does that mean? Well, this is a saying we have in Send Out Cards. So what you need to make sure you're always doing is using your product or your service all the time, as much as you can, everywhere, without exception. So for instance, you know, we're an online wholesale greeting card company. How would it look if I went and bought a Hallmark card from the grocery store and sent that to somebody? They'd wonder why I wasn't using a Send Out card. So I always have to use my product. Conversely, let's say you're, with a makeup company or a jewelry company. You should always be wearing your makeup line or your jewelry line. And furthermore, for folks like that, when you go out into public, you should definitely always have your makeup and your jewelry on. You should always be showcasing your product. If you're with a company that, let's say, sells long distance service or cable service, then absolutely you should be using that in your home. So be a product of your product. Promote your company's products and services. Now, this is where it's very critical when you're choosing a network marketing company to make sure you believe in the product or the service, because you will have to use it, you will have to promote it. So that's my tip number 1 for a successful network marketing company. Again, I'm Sharon Hebing with Send Out Cards. You can visit my blog at earningincomefromhome.wordpress.com or visit my fan page, my Facebook fan page at facebook.com/wealthships. Thanks.